Hey, glad you are here. I'm really going to be talking about web scraping monitoring with Grafana, the complete setup. This is a topic that comes up a lot, and I wanted to give you the most complete guide possible. So without further ado, let's get started. Monitoring your web scraping operations is critical for maintaining data quality, optimizing costs, and catching failures before they impact your business. Grafana, combined with Prometheus or InfluxDB, provides a powerful visualization and alerting platform for scraping metrics. Let's start with why you need scraping monitoring. Without monitoring, scraping operations fail silently, pages change their structure, and your scraper returns empty data, proxies get banned, and your success rate drops, rate limits trigger and you get blocked, target sites go down temporarily. All of these can happen without you knowing until you check the data hours or days later. The key metrics you should track include success rate, which is the percentage of requests returning valid data. Response time tells you how long each request takes, which indicates proxy quality and target server load. Error rate tracks the types and frequency of errors like timeouts, 403s, 429s, and captchases. Data volume measures the amount of data collected per hour or day. Proxy performance tracks which proxies or proxy pools perform best. Cost efficiency calculates the cost per successful request or per data point. Now let's talk about the monitoring architecture. The typical setup involves your scrapers exporting metrics to a time series database like Prometheus or InfluxDB. Grafana then connects to that database and visualizes the metrics in dashboards. You set up alerts in Grafana to notify you when metrics cross thresholds. For the scraper side, you instrument your code to track request counts, success and failure counts, response times, data extracted counts, and proxy rotation events. These metrics get pushed or pulled into the time series database. For Grafana dashboards, the essential panels include an overview dashboard showing total requests, success rate, and error rate over time, a proxy performance dashboard comparing success rates across different proxy pools, an error analysis dashboard breaking down errors by type, a cost dashboard tracking spend versus data collected, and a target site dashboard monitoring specific websites you're scraping. For alerting, you want notifications when success rate drops below a threshold like 80%, when error rate spikes above normal, when response times increase significantly, when data volume drops unexpectedly, and when proxy costs exceed budget limits. Some best practices for scraping monitoring: use labels to segment metrics by target site, proxy type, and scraper instance. Set up separate dashboards for different scraping operations. Keep historical data to identify trends and seasonal patterns. Create runbooks for common alerts so your team knows how to respond. And review dashboards weekly to spot gradual degradation. Now for some frequently asked questions. Why use Grafana for scraping monitoring? Grafana provides flexible visualization, supports multiple data sources, has built-in alerting, and is free and open source. It's the industry standard for infrastructure monitoring and works perfectly for scraping operations. What metrics are most important to track? Success rate and error rate are the most critical. If your success rate drops, everything else suffers. Response time is the next most important as it indicates proxy quality and potential blocking. How often should I check my scraping dashboards? Set up alerts for critical issues so you don't need to check constantly. Review dashboards daily for trends and weekly for optimization opportunities. Can I use Grafana Cloud or do I need to self-host? Both work. Grafana Cloud has a free tier that supports small to medium scraping operations. Self-hosting gives you more control and is better for large-scale operations with high metric volumes. So there you have it, a complete breakdown of web scraping monitoring with Grafana. Remember, the key is to start implementing what you've learned and keep refining your approach over time. For more guides like this one, visit us at dataresearchtools.com. We're constantly putting out new content to help you stay ahead of the curve. See you in the next one.